Hey everybody, this is Mike with Accounting for Cycling. Today we're going over this Insignia GoPro Accessories Kit for GoPro Hero 7 on newer. So we'll be using my GoPro Hero 10 to kind of check them out. And I was sent this through Best Buy's Tech Insider Network program, which is a members-only program where I am sent products for the purposes of testing and reviewing them and providing an unbiased kind of look. So this is not sponsored, but also this was sent to me by Best Buy. So let's check out what we got here. There we go. And Insignia is Best Buy's inside or kind of internal brand. So we've got a case here. It's like a tripod. Ooh, wow, extends quite a bit too. And we'll check these out in a little more detail from a more distant look. Not just at my desk. Suction cup mount, good for outside vehicles or suctioning to glass, time-lapse kind of things. Or I use one on the back of one of my monitors so I can use a GoPro as a webcam. And actually the one I currently have on the back of my monitor, I've even put a mirrorless, kind of smaller mirrorless camera on. So they're pretty tough. And then this is empty. Just kind of throwing all the boxes behind me. We've got the flotation mount with wrist strap. So this would be nice where if you're out swimming, kayaking, really anything that you might be doing on the water but still kind of handheld, you can strap this to yourself and hold on to it, so if you drop it, your camera will float. I imagine too you'd be able to put this wrist strap thing somewhere onto, this is the media mod. Kind of strap it somewhere on here and maybe use it as a way to kind of like attach all of it to keep it floating. All right, and inside the case, ooh, all right, so we've got the installation guide. We've got some quick turn screws. Looks like they do take hex heads in the plastic, but they do not take Phillips head screwdriver. So my second kind of preferred, my most preferred are the ones that use a hex bolt on the inside instead of a Phillips head screwdriver. There's 1/4 or a 3/8 screw. There's chest mount quick release. There we go. Head strap, and this is chest strap. It's got a there we go. So plastic cover on it. So not bad. I do have the GoPro one too though. So the GoPro has a little like mesh back for breathability, softer, a little softer on the chest too. It's my other Hero 10. But these ones work just as well. It's got a little soft spot here just from where the straps come over. And the case itself comes with these little dividers so you can actually break up your storage a little bit into different areas. So, and it just kind of gives you the ability to kind of work around and stick a bunch of stuff to yourself. Well, you kind of fumble with it, but that way you can carry your camera, a mount, second one, maybe tripod mount, and then your screws. So overall, it looks like a nice little kit. I'll definitely be testing it out some more to kind of see how it compares against the GoPro one, as well as I don't have a head strap right now, so that will be interesting. But to just kind of test them out, see how they work, see how easy they go. But yeah, so on the 8 onward, you've got the prongs that fold down from the bottom. The 7, which I believe is the oldest that this is stated to go for, you would have the outer case. This is the Hero 5, but it uses the same mounting system. So not officially supported, but will work. But thank you so much for watching today. Again, this is Mike with Accounting for Cycling. Thanks so much for watching. If you like the video, hit subscribe down below, like it, check out any affiliate links I may have down below. I do earn a small commission on those, and they'll be noted which ones are which. I'll also have a link to this down below too. That'll go to Best Buy's website. But yeah, check out my other videos and have a great day.